guys, welcome back to another video. This week we have a small little install, but before we get to that small install, I want to remind you guys to take the time to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. But today on the agenda, it's a beautiful Saturday morning over here, and we're gonna go to Mercer's. We're gonna go to Mercer's. I need to do an oil change on the Mugen EL, and I got a little package from Amazon that I'm gonna have to install. I wonder if it's gonna work. My buddy Pedro recommended it to me, so I ordered it, and I'll show you more when I get to the shop. And then I'm gonna, you know, detail the EL because it's gonna be beautiful. So I just realized I didn't charge my battery, so that's one thing I gotta do when I get to the shop. All right, so I got the one new battery kicking, and I'm gonna load up everything with the EL. I'm gonna load up my cleaning supplies, you know, all that basic stuff, get everything right. You know, it's gonna be a nice day. Oil's already in the car. Gotta take some stuff out of the trunk, and yeah, get ready to get this vlog going. We still gotta do a review on the suspension. You're gonna like the review. David's gonna help me out vlogging that one. I'm gonna try to make it a really good in-depth review, and not just hearing me talk with a lot of footage of the car. So yeah, we're gonna do something, and we're gonna enjoy this day. We're gonna kick this day's ass and get an oil change done, get the car running good. Probably see if I could change the little rubber seals on the valve cover bolts, because you know, downstairs they suck, so they're already leaking out of the little seal. So see if I can replace those, so that way it's, you know, stop leaking a little bit of oil. And yeah, that's enough for me. Let's go. Alright guys, I just grabbed the essentials this morning: coffee, tea biscuit, and gas. Seems like every weekend I drive the Mugen EL, I'm always almost out of gas. So we're good to go. I'm gonna jump on the highway. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the drive, and I'll see you when I get to Mercer's. And I gotta put both my other batteries charging. Oh man, I hate when it gets dark like that. And yeah, that's our morning so far. D17 is running good, boys. It's running good. Alright guys, so we finally got here to Mercer's. We're here with the good doctor.
What's up, everyone?
And as you guys can see by the sun shining on him, it is a beautiful day here. We got a beautiful weekend ahead of us.
It's pretty great.
We got our good buddy Mark.
Sunglasses? What do you think?
We should get some Justsendit sunglasses.
Justsendit sunglasses? What do you guys think? Should we get that?
Yeah, that'd be pretty sick.
Yo,
I know a guy who makes them.
Comment. Let us know.
We got our good buddy Mark right there, just hammering away on the next series that we will eventually get to. But today we're gonna, you know, like I said, nice fresh oils on the D series, and then I'm gonna show you what I just got from Amazon that I want to install, because we all have this problem. We all know that LED bulbs, they're beautiful. The lighting changes the car, makes it nicer. But as we know, all these little peanut bulbs from LED that are made from LEDs, they burn out too quick. So my good buddy Pedro recommended me what's in this little box. Oh, sorry. So basically, what we're going to be changing out is, let me pull this out, a whole LED assembly. So it's got a whole motherboard, and he said he's had it on his TSX for 3 years. He's never had a problem. So we're gonna go ahead and change these out as soon as Mercer's done with the oil change.
Oh, what are those?
That's the new plate ones.
This is the ones you were telling me about.
Yeah. And I seen it on Pedro's car. They're freaking bright. They look sick. So
Straight bolt on. Sorry, straight connection, eh?
Straight connection, man. So we just unplug it right over here.
Nice.
And then just plug it right in.
Oh, rather than this being a bulb.
Because these bulbs always burn out.
That's pretty neat. And who hooked you up with this?
Pedro. With the TSX.
Thanks, Pedro.
Yeah.
You're the man.
So we're obviously gonna get a set for the Spoon ES1, because we do have the same issue with the Spoon ES1.
So there you go. LED bulb.
Burnt out.
Old housing, lighting housing.
Which is no more.
That's pretty old too. That
yeah, it's pretty crusty. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna put something nice there now.
Whoops.
It's not like we need that anymore.
Whoops. And I stepped on it afterwards.
Oh yeah, don't you just love that?
It's pretty horrible.
Alright, so as you guys can see, they have a little clips, so you gotta slide it into here and then lock it in. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I already tested it out. It works. It's bright, guys. It's bright. Alright, guys. So Mercer had to make a little modification for me. As you can see, these are the little pieces that we had to cut from here. From here, because as you can see on this one, it's too long, so it wasn't making the seat and clip. So he just grabbed his blade and he made a little cut right onto this one, as you guys can see, so we could compare the two. It's slightly shorter now. This one clips in perfectly, so we just pulled it back out just so we can show you guys. But other than that, we already tested it. It's bright. We're going to be putting it on, trim a little bit of this piece, and then I'm going to put it on, and we are going to light them up and show you guys how bright these things are. Not bad for $20. So this is as much as you have to trim off if you get it.
Which one do I have to trim now?
You got to trim this one. As you guys can see, like I was showing them. See the difference?
Yeah, man, I'll trim it. So
All right,
everybody
man.
can see it right now.
Mercer's the trimmer.
Trim the bush.
Oh.
You said this one almost went through, so we don't have to trim it that much?
Look at that. Look at that. At least he didn't cut himself this time.
That's how much I trimmed off.
Here you go, guys. For $20, look how bright that is. A lot brighter than just the bulbs. What do you think, Merce?
Pretty bright.
Not bad. With a slight little modification to make them work.
Dude, you've washed this car so many times and look at the grime.
You know, that's the spot that you always forget.
Oh.
You know,
Yeah.
the spot that you always forget. I'll get it now since I'm going to be cleaning the car.
Oh, that's the from under cheese. It's that spot that you always forget.
Yeah, that's the spot. That's our boy Mark. Yeah.
Bill and I, the science.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. So, we're going to get under the way with the oil change. I think I hear David.
David's? On his way?
Yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, what were we saying?
Lucky for me, you ended it off and then the battery died. Lucky for me, something, you have extra batteries or something.
Yeah, no, we have the extra charge battery. But yeah, we're gonna... Yes, I think he should be introducing the new series.
Oh, yeah.
Dedicated.
That's what we were on.
Yes, we're gonna introduce the new series, and there's gonna be a section on a playlist strictly Mercerbuilt. So the projects that obviously I'm not here every day because I have to work, unfortunately. Hopefully one day YouTube will be permanent, full-time job, and you're always joining our adventures. But anyways, there's gonna be a playlist dedicated strictly to Mercerbuilt, like dope builds that you don't normally see him do, because by the time I show up to shop, they're sometimes gone or whatever. And like, you know, until this man decides to, you know, have the free time to actually open up his own channel and, you know, show you his world.
To be honest, man, it's a great idea, but damn, it's a lot of work. And I already have a really busy schedule, so
So then I guess
we add more work and more stuff. It's difficult, but I'm working on it.
Yeah.
I'm working on it.
We could always change the channel to Paul Fodor and Son.
That's awesome. That is pretty awesome.
But yeah, we got lots of content with Mercer. Like I said, he's always got some dope cars that he's building and putting together, and dope swaps. So try to bring a whole different life of Canada to you guys, like all these different builds, not just like always the same things. I don't want this channel to stay stagnant, although we're never going to stay stagnant with the 7 gens, because I'm always changing things up. There's always crazy ideas.
Yeah, man, game changer.
Thank you. But for me and Mercer, that's going to do it for this little cheeky video. Boys are going to town on that car, eh?
Yeah, man, got them working, bro.
That's it.
Gotta do things. I can't be the only one doing all the things all the time.
That's right. Like, comment, subscribe.
Guys, peace. Don't forget, merch. Check it out.
Just send it.
Just send it, guys.
Peace.
Have a good day.